Right here, I have the perfect two-piece dress-up outfit for this summer. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be reviewing this two-piece dress-up kit with the pants and the dress shirt. I'm absolutely loving this, and I want to show you guys why. So I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting this size medium, and I can tell you guys, this fits perfectly. So first off, I want to start. This is 95% polyester and a 5% spandex. So we are going to have a nice four-way stretch going all the way throughout this. This is going to be so comfortable, guys. This is actually probably one of the most comfortable kits that I've felt on my skin, to be honest with you. And I can't wait to wear this during a wedding or some kind of outdoor event, dressing up. This looks great. So a couple details on here that make this stand out. This is going to be a loose fit, so it's going to be a little bit more of a baggier fit. It's going to make you so comfortable. You're not going to have that super tailored look that's going to be tight and uncomfortable. You can wear this all day, no problem. Now, this also has a nice material with the polyester. It's going to make it very lightweight and breathable all the way throughout. So it's going to wick away that moisture and sweat. So if you are outside, maybe at a party, a wedding, a work event, and you're in the sun, this is definitely going to keep you nice and cool all day. On the pants, we are actually going to have a sewn in seam going all the way down the middle. So it's going to be a sweatpant type style pant, but that seam is going to make it look like you ironed on a very nice seam going all the way down. It's going to look so dressy. It's going to look on point. It looks so good. As you can see, we have a really nice collar, and these are going to be like kind of pressed down. They're not completely sewn down. Goes all the way down a little bit above my elbow, so as I bend my arm, definitely keeps me nice and comfortable. The collar is going to be double lined with this same material, so it's going to keep that constant flow. This will look amazing with a gold chain, silver chain. You can really just dress up and down with this. You can mix and match things that you want to do. I'm wearing a pair of dress shoes right now. These are camo loafers, and these are a pretty low profile style shoe. So the pant for this size medium definitely goes all the way down and covers, you know, I'm wearing like a really low sock, so it covers that up and just looks so nice. It's not dragging at all too, so it's not too wide in the back. Definitely sits on the shoe absolutely perfect. Now, I am going to try on a pair of sneakers because I think you can actually make this look pretty cool with some sneakers. All right, so now I just threw on some sneakers, and you can go all the way from dressed up to a little bit more of a casual, comfortable look, because ultimately that's what we're feeling like. This is going to be very soft, comfortable. This is something you're going to want to take on vacation with you. Be going out to a dinner on vacation, wearing something like this, feeling the breeze on your skin. You're going to be looking sharp. You're going to be looking stunning. You're going to be feeling amazing. And guess what, guys? This has an elastic waistband, so it has a drawstring, so you can also stay nice and comfortable. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tuck this in. This is really nice because you can wear this a bunch of different ways. You can tuck this in, and now you have a little bit more of a dressed up look. If you're going out to dinner, you're just going to be looking sharp. Now, we have the drawstring right here, and it's going to be a flat lace, and you're going to have the metal on the tips here, so it's going to look really nice. The seam is still going to go all the way up to the top, and again, the elastic's going to keep you nice and comfortable. So we're going to have deep pockets on both sides in the front, and then we are also going to have a nice deep pocket in the rear, so that can definitely hold your wallet really nicely. At the end of the day, this is an amazing kit. I haven't felt more comfortable being dressed up in my life. I'm not even just saying that. I'm going to be dropping a link down in the description if you guys want to check this out for yourself. Please check out all the other colors that they have to offer. These are definitely a must-have for the summer, guys. You're going to want this. Click the link, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.